Hi everybody, welcome to my art room. Today I'm going to do a reverse dip with the paper towel on these two small wooden, they're not canvases, they're pieces of wood like coasters that I got from Michael's, and I just primed them. I can paint the sides later. So I'm just putting down some white paint. It's white house paint and Floetrol and Artist Loft paint and Floetrol. I just made up two separate batches of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic and a batch of house paint with Floetrol, and then I just mix them together. The mixture is 1 to 1. No, 1 to half, sorry. 1 part paint to half part Floetrol, because it's a fluid acrylic. But if it was tube paint, I would do 1 to 1. It's basic, my basic mixture. Okay. So I'm going to use, I have some red house paint mixed with some Artist Loft red. And a bit of Floetrol, some Floetrol. I have Rust-Oleum White Pearl metallic. I have Naples Yellow Basics, and I have some sap green. I'll probably use that for the leaves. Just debating if I should use 2 yellows. I'll just use the 3 colors, I think. I'm gonna do an experiment. Let's see what I'm gonna do. This one's circles. And I'll do this one, the flower shape, see what happens. You never know. I feel like I need another color. See if I can use either rose or this is an orangey red. I think I'll use that. It's kind of like a fall color. This is a orange and red mixed together with yellow base, red with yellow cadmium yellow basics mixed in. Do whatever colors you love. Doesn't matter. Now I'm going to put some of the white metallic pearl white. This looks like a lot of paint. I think I'm going to go around the outside of this one again, because when you do a reverse dip, the flower comes out smaller. I'll do a few leaves. Oops, oopsies. All right. Okay, so I have my paper towel handy. It's a thin paper towel and I've dampened it. I'm not going to push too hard. These are just little, I think they're 5 by 5 or 4 by 4. My paint mixture is in my description, along with some other information. Our Facebook group too is a link to our new Facebook group that my sisters and myself have created. Now this is too big, so I'm going to cut this. Should have cut it first, I guess. Alright, So let's see how this goes. I'll do this one first. So just take a corner, take another corner, lift it up. Take the other corner, lift it up. Oh, isn't that pretty? Now I don't know how this one will turn out. This is a different design. You get different results. Ooh. That looks pretty nice also. I love them. Look at that. I'm happy with that. They make a nice little pair. I'm gonna stick my finger in here. Cool. There you go. Look at these. I'll hold them up for you. Very pretty. There you go. That's a circle design, and that's the flower design. All right, thanks for coming by. I'll put the dried results at the end, like I usually do. Have a great day, everybody. Please come back to my art room. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. So here's the dried results of my little mini dips. Reverse dip. They dried really good. These are on wood, don't forget, so that's like the little greens going through. They were primed first. So I will spray varnish these and they will look pretty nice. There you go. I love them. Thanks for coming by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.